Hi, Dr. Todd Sullivan from Nova Chiropractic and Acupuncture. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to relieve SI joint pain at home. So the sacroiliac joints are formed from the tailbone and the pelvis, and they form these two big joints that are right here in your low back. Those are the little bumps you feel in your lower back. They run from the left side, it goes from here down to about here, and it's about the length of your index finger, and then from there down to this side. And a lot of times what can happen is they can shift out of alignment due to a few different reasons, but sitting for long periods of time, if the muscles in your hips get tight, that can shift it out, or sometimes even bending over and lifting something heavy, that can cause it to rotate out of position there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you 4 different exercises you can do at home to help relieve SI joint pain. So the first exercise we're gonna do, we're gonna be seated on a firm chair. And what we're gonna do is, if her right side is the problem side, she's gonna raise her knee up a little bit. And what she's gonna do is she's gonna apply pressure into her knee, but resist her pushing it down. And she wants to hold that for 5 seconds and then relax. And she's gonna do that 3 times and do that throughout the day. And what that does is it relieves the pressure on the SI joint. So the second stretch we're gonna do for relieving SI joint pain at home is, what we're gonna do is you're gonna lay on the edge of your mattress, and say her left sacroiliac joint was the painful side. What you're gonna do is you're gonna let this leg drop off the side of the bed, and you're gonna just let that relax down. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna stretch out not only the quadricep, but it's also going to help take some pressure off the affected side. If that's too much of a stretch for you, what you can do is you can bend this leg and rest it on the mattress like that, and that will relieve some pressure in your low back. But this is a good stretch for relieving the SI joint pain at home. And what you do is you wanna hold that for about 20 seconds, bring the leg back up, take a little break for a second, drop it back down for 20 seconds, do that 3 times, and you can do that throughout the day as needed. The third stretch you can do to help relieve SI joint pain at home is, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be laying on the mattress or laying on the floor, and what we wanna do is, say her right side is the affected side, we wanna bring her leg up, and what she's gonna do is she's gonna grab behind her knee, and she's gonna try to push her knee down this way, but she's gonna use her hands to resist that motion. And this is a muscle activation technique to help relieve the SI joint pain. And so she's gonna hold that for 5 seconds and then relax. And then she's gonna repeat that 3 or 4 times. So push and relax. And again, she could do this multiple times throughout the day, and this is one of the ways to help relieve SI joint pain at home. The fourth stretch we're gonna do to help relieve SI joint pain is we're gonna use stairs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have, for treating the left side, we're gonna put our left foot up on the stair. We're gonna go about 2 or 3 stairs up. And then what we're gonna do is, imagine she's had handrails, she's gonna hold on to handrails, and what she's gonna do is she's just gonna lean forward into that lunge position there. Good, and then you can even go a little forward with your upper body there, and what that's gonna do, it's gonna stretch out the low back, the hip, and a hamstring all at once, and that will help relieve some of the pressure on the SI joint when it's bothering you. So this is gonna be using the stairs to help relieve that pressure, and what you wanna do, you wanna hold it for 20 seconds, do the other side for 20 seconds, and you can do this a couple times throughout the day, and that's just another way to help relieve SI joint pain at home. So those are 4 ways to help relieve SI joint pain at home. If you have any questions, reach out to me at 703-912-7822, or you can schedule online at novacarewellness.com.